Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on using the LDP Accumulator, an advanced auto-trading robot that simplifies trading by focusing on market stability. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an experienced trader aiming to refine your strategy, this video will guide you through every step to maximize your trading potential with accumulator options. Let's start by getting acquainted with the LDP Accumulator's interface. The dashboard is user-friendly, designed to give you easy access to all the controls you need to set up and monitor your trades. On the left, you'll see the options to select your trading instrument. For this tutorial, we'll focus on volatility indices, a popular choice due to their availability 24/7, even on weekends and holidays. Volatility indices are ideal for accumulator options because they can exhibit consistent price movements within a range, which is exactly what accumulator options thrive on. Once you've selected your index, it's time to configure your trade. Accumulator options are different from traditional options because they allow you to capitalize on sideways market movements within a predefined range, rather than betting on whether the price will go up or down. The next step is setting the barriers for your trade. These barriers create a range above and below the current spot price. Think of this as the safe zone where you want the market price to stay. The LDP accumulator will monitor the market, and as long as the price remains within this range, your potential payout increases tick by tick. Now, let's talk about growth rates. The growth rate determines how much your potential payout increases with each tick that the price stays within your defined range. You can set this rate up to 5% per tick. For example, if you choose a 3% growth rate, each tick within the range will compound your potential payout by 3%. However, keep in mind that a higher growth rate also increases the risk of the price breaching your range. Adjusting the range width is another critical step. The range width determines the distance between your upper and lower barriers. A narrower range might result in quicker profits, but comes with higher risk, as the price has less room to move. Conversely, a wider range offers more stability but may require a longer trade duration to achieve significant returns. Balancing these factors based on your market outlook is key to a successful accumulator option trade. After setting your growth rate and range width, the next decision is the trade duration. The LDP accumulator allows you to choose a trade length of up to 230 ticks. Longer durations give the market more time to move within your range, potentially increasing your payout. However, it also means you'll need to be more patient and prepared for the trade to play out over a longer period. If you're confident in the market's stability, a longer duration might be more beneficial. Before executing your trade, it's crucial to review your setup. The LDP accumulator provides a detailed summary showing your maximum potential payout and your maximum risk, which is limited to your initial trading capital. This feature ensures that you know exactly what's at stake before you start trading, making it easier to manage your risk and avoid unexpected losses. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and execute the trade. The LDP accumulator will take over, automatically monitoring the market in real time. You can watch as your potential payout grows tick by tick, thanks to the compounding effect of your chosen growth rate. The interface provides live updates, so you can see exactly how your trade is performing at any given moment. Let's dive into a detailed example to illustrate how this works in practice. Suppose the market has been moving steadily within a 10-point range. You enter an accumulator option with a growth rate of 3% per tick over 100 ticks, expecting this stability to continue. As each tick passes with the price remaining within your defined range, your potential payout grows exponentially due to the compounding effect. This scenario not only aligns with your market outlook, but also limits your risk to your initial capital if the price suddenly breaks out of its range. While accumulator options offer the potential for significant compounding growth, they also require careful risk management. The higher the growth rate you select, the greater your potential profits. But this also increases the risk of your trade closing prematurely if the market price touches or exits your range. That's why it's essential to strike a balance between risk and reward. Consider the market conditions, your trading goals, and your risk tolerance when setting up each trade. Now that you know how to set up a trade, let's talk about some strategies and tips to maximize your success with the LDP accumulator. First, Always start by analyzing the market trends. If the market is showing signs of stability within a specific range, it might be a good time to use accumulator options. Second, consider using a demo account to practice your strategies without risking real money. This way, you can refine your approach and build confidence before committing your capital. Finally, always monitor your trades, even though the LDP accumulator is automated. Market conditions can change rapidly, and being aware of these changes can help you make timely decisions. To recap, using the LDP accumulator is all about setting up trades that align with your market expectations and risk tolerance. Start by selecting your trading instrument, then set your barriers, growth rate, range width, and trade duration. Review your settings to ensure you're comfortable with the potential risks and rewards, then let the LDP accumulator handle the rest. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, this tool can help you take advantage of market stability and grow your portfolio. Ready to put the LDP accumulator to work for you? Log into your Deriv account or sign up for a free demo account with $10,000 in virtual funds to practice risk-free. Experience the simplicity and power of automated trading with the LDP accumulator today. Start trading now and take your trading to the next level.